In today's video, you will learn how to select words or items that are not next to each other in Microsoft Word. To begin, select the first word or item you want to work with. This could be a single word, a phrase, or even a larger section of text. Once that first selection is made, press and hold the Control key on your keyboard. This step is essential because holding the Control key tells Word that you want to add more items to your selection instead of replacing the previous one. While still holding the Control key, select the next word or item you want to include. You can continue selecting additional parts of text in different areas of the document, as long as the Control key remains pressed. Each new selection will be added to the previous ones, allowing you to work with multiple separate items at the same time. Continue this process until all the required parts are selected. For example, imagine you have a paragraph describing a place and you want to highlight specific keywords within that text. You can select one keyword, hold the Control key, and then select other important words wherever they appear in the paragraph. Once all the desired words are selected, you can apply formatting to all of them at once. To make the selected words stand out, go to the Home tab and choose Bold from the font group, or simply press the Control and B keys on your keyboard. All selected words will instantly be formatted together. This same selection method can also be used for other actions. You can move multiple selected items to a different location, copy them for reuse elsewhere, or delete them all at the same time. This helps save time and reduces the chance of missing something important when editing. It is important to remember that the Control key must be pressed and held while selecting each additional item. If the key is released too early, Word will cancel the previous selection and start a new one. Taking a steady and careful approach ensures accurate results, especially when working with detailed documents. Once you get comfortable with this technique, editing and formatting text becomes much faster and more efficient. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit us with a like. Thanks for watching.